Hello everyone, I am starting a new chapter number 19 from R S Aggarwal, differential equations with variable separable. ठीक है, differential equations को solve करने के तीन मेथड होते हैं. तो those three methods are variable separable, homogeneous method, and third one is linear equation. They are so interesting and important methods. Even for exam point of view, we have three different chapters dedicated, okay, in R S Aggarwal. In this chapter, we will explore only first method, variable separable. Next part, I will explain how to recognize homogeneous or linear equations. To recognize variable separable is very easy. Any equation which can be written in this form means in this form where the function of y can be written with dy and functions of x can be written with dx. Those equations are called variable separable. In very easy words, if I want to say कि y के जितने भी terms हैं, they will be on left side, we can write easily, and x के all the terms we can easily write on the right hand side with dx. Okay, all y के terms on the left hand side, all x terms on the right hand side. If we can write, then that is called differential equations with variable separable. आपने y को अलग कर दिया और x को अलग. ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना बहुत इजी होता है. So let's see one problem how to solve it. This is first example from R S Aggarwal. Find the general solution of differential equation. General solution means any constant will not be provided in the equation. ठीक है, we will see how to solve it. So this is the equation. Let me write x plus 2 dy by dx is x square plus 5x minus 3. ठीक है, left side we will try to keep only y terms and all the x terms on the right side. So first step is I am taking dx on this side. Let me see, only one step at a time, dx. Okay, if you see here carefully, in this is x term, this one, so I will take it this side. So dy will be x square 5x minus 3 by x plus 2 dx. So I collected all x terms on one side and all y terms on left side. In this question there is no y term, so dy is alone, nothing is there. If nothing is there, so I can just write 1. ठीक है, so clearly I am able to separate x terms and y terms separate. That's why this is called, what do we call it? Variable separable. Because आपका x term और y term separate होंगे. याद रखिए, y terms आपने लेने हैं left side में. Always remember, on the left side, and x terms we will take on the right side for easy calculation, though there is not such rule. Okay. After doing this, x square plus 5x minus 3 by x plus 2 dx. To solve it, integrate both sides. What do we do? Integrate both sides. Just one thing you remember, dy and dx should be in numerator. Never ever they should be in denominator. Just be careful. Okay. Ab how to integrate one? First with respect to y. It will be y only. Correct? Now right side. Integration. Whenever there is a higher power on numerator, what do? We divide first. Okay? This chapter is a very good revision for your integration process as well. Okay? So for integrating something where there is a higher term inside, we divide. So how do we divide? Let me show here. How can we divide? See here. X square plus 5x minus 3 x plus 2. So we see first with first is x. So it will be x square plus 2x. x square plus 2x. Okay. Then minus and minus. Okay. So whatever we selected, x square by x is x. I selected. Then जो भी मिला उसको इससे multiply करना है. See here. x plus 2 into x. So what you got? X square plus 2x. That I am writing here. X square plus 2x. And then subtract. Correct? That's what I did. Subtract. In subtraction, क्या हुआ? This and this cancel. And what is left? 5 minus 2 is 3x. And then this got. Then for integration, we see first and first division के लिए. So 3x by x is 3. So next letter I selected is 3. Okay. Now this 3, इधर देखिए, this 3, ये वाला 3 is multiplied with this whole thing. Let me show you here. X plus 3 into 3 is 3x plus 9. ठीक है. So that is written here. 3x plus 9. I'm sorry, this was 2. So this is 6. 3 2s are 6. This is 3 2s are 6. Correct? Now minus and minus. Now subtract. So this and this will cancel. So minus 3 and minus 6 is how much? Minus 9. So this is called remainder. When the constant is left over, we can stop dividing. So this is remainder. And this part is called quotient. So my division is over. Okay. So whenever we divide, so how do we write it? After division, if it is x square plus 5x minus 3 by x plus 2, we write quotient plus remainder by x plus 2. That is how we write after division. So how much is quotient? Was x plus 3. Remainder was minus 9 by x plus 2. So this is my division part. Okay. Now I am ready to integrate. Correct? Division is clear. So this is what I got after division. X plus 3 minus 9 by x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now I am ready to integrate. Y is equal to what is integration of x? I am not writing small formulas. You are expected to know. X square by 2 plus integration of 3 is 3x minus 9. Anything in denominator, a linear equation in denominator. What is the integration? Log of x plus 2 plus c. So this is the solution of equation. Okay? Remember, when do we use log? When this is a linear equation. It should not be a quadratic. Okay, so this is my solution. So I am expecting you to be very good at integration for this chapter. Okay. Now, second question is this. Second example. Find the solution of this differential equation. Okay. Once again, let me see if I can differentiate x terms and y terms. So this is dy by dx is equal to this x I am taking other side 2 tan inverse x plus x. This is what I did. Correct? Okay, now can I take this dx on other side? So it will be 1 plus x square dy is 2 tan inverse x plus x into dx. Perfect. What else can we do? We are supposed to put x terms on right side and y terms on left. So this I am taking other side. So dy will be 2 tan inverse x plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Now observe carefully. Can you see all x terms are on the right side? Can you see? So on the left side all y terms, though here is nothing, so I am writing 1. And all the x terms are on the right side, clearly. Correct? So this is clearly variable separable. Once we have separated y terms and x terms, we are ready to what? We are ready to integrate. Correct? Integrate to solve it. Okay. So let me write 1 of dy integration of 2 tan inverse x 1 plus x square x by 1 plus x square dx. Correct? What I did, I just separated out this with this and this with this. That's all I did. Okay. Now think, what can we do? What is integration of y? 1 is y only. Now integration of this term, first term, how to do? Can I take tan inverse x as t? Okay. So in this, you have to be very good in integration. So let me show you how to integrate this part. Okay, this part we will integrate here separately and then write the answer there. Let me show you here. Integration of 2 tan inverse x dx. This is clearly by substitution. So tan inverse x is t, suppose. Okay. Now differentiate both sides. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx is d. Correct. So this part became dt. Okay. So question became, see here, question will become, I will write it here. If you find it slow, you can speed up at ut. So this is 2t and this became t. So integration of 2t is t square by 2 plus c. 2 and 2 cancel. Correct? So integration is t square plus c. And what was t? T was this. है ना? तो ये हो गया tan inverse of x square plus c. So my first term is done integration. So this is tan inverse of x square plus c. Now what is integration of this term? X by 1 plus x square dx. So y tan inverse x square plus c. How to integrate this term? Think about it. This term can also be done by substitution method. Okay, see here. This is x, 1 plus x square dx. Can I divide and multiply by 2? We can do that. Divide and multiply by 2. Okay. Now, can I take 1 plus x square as t? So 2x dx is dt, which is this term. And we got entire. So dt by t. And integration of 1 by t is log of t mod, which is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. So here I will write tan inverse x square plus c, and second term I am getting 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square. And the second term maybe c will be there. We write c in the end actually, plus c. So this is my solution. I hope you understood. This is my solution. Don't lose any term and solve it step by step. Okay. Let's see third question. You will find on the page number 915 in my book. 915 R S Aggarwal. You may find it in other page. Okay. So this is also very easy and good question. So they are saying dy by dx is log of x plus 1. Can I take dx here? So dy is log of, let me write 1 plus x into dx. correct? देखिए carefully, x terms on the right side, y terms on the left side. Separate है तो this is variable separable. I will write 1 here. ठीक है. Are we ready to integrate now? Once we separated, है ना? We can see clearly it is variable separable. Clearly, because we are able to separate x and y. Ready to integrate. Integration of 1 is y. How to integrate log term? Okay, to integrate log term, I will purposely multiply by 1. ठीक है. So there are two terms. This is log and one is called algebra. ठीक है. So whenever we have two terms, so I can use ILATE to integrate. Correct? You remember? I is for inverse terms. Whenever we have product of two terms, so we check with ILATE. Let me explain. This is for log. Correct? A is for algebra. T is for trigonometric terms and E is for exponent terms. And the order we take is first, second, then third for algebra, fourth for trigonometry, and fifth for exponent. Here we have log and algebra. What do we have? Log and algebra. So log and algebra. So if we check the order, so I will get log as a first function and algebra as a second function. And what do we have? U into V integration method. U as it is, integration of V, and minus of whenever there is a product of two functions. So what do we take? U as it is, integration of V minus derivative of U, integration of V, and what? Integration of whole. That's how we do. So this is the formula for integration of U into V. Write down. So I will use it here. इधर देखिए. See here. So y will be first as it is, integration of 1 minus derivative of first, integration of 1 and integration of this whole. So it will be log of 1 plus x. What is integration of 1? Is x. This is x. So x I will write in front into what is derivative of log? 1 by 1 plus x. And by chain rule, derivative of 1 plus x is 1 only. And what is integration of 1? Is x dx. Okay? It's just a matter of integration, how to do it. Okay. So how to integrate it further? X log of 1 plus x as it is. What to do with this x? Okay, can I write it here? X. देखिए, to manipulate, can I add 1 and subtract 1? We are just manipulating it. Correct? Now I am making pair of it. This and this. Okay, I added and then I am subtracting. So what we will get is this by this, x plus 1 by 1 plus x minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x. I separated and this is minus and this is minus in front will become plus. Okay? So what we will get? Here I will get x log of 1 plus x minus integration of 1 dx. This is 1, cancelling. Integration of 1 plus x dx. Integrate it. So y will be x log of 1 plus x minus integration of x is x. 1 is x. Okay, minus x plus 1 by this integration is log of 1 by this integration is log of 1 plus x plus c. So this is my solution. Just one more question. I think it's a pretty long video. See you in next video. Bye everyone. Practice it before going to the next video.